You think the future is already written? It's not. Right now, we are standing at a fork in the road with four very different paths. One leads to a golden age, another to digital slavery. The report from Cedefop gives us the map, but we have to choose the direction.
It all depends on two things: technology and policy. Will AI serve us, or will we serve AI? The difference is smaller than you think. In this series, we will explore 4 scenarios. Scenario A is the dream. Technology solves the labor shortage and makes us superhuman. But Scenario B is the warning. A world of inequality where only the elite survive the AI shockwaves. And Scenario D, that is the machine rule. We will break down what skills you need to survive in each of these worlds, because 2040 isn't far away. It starts tomorrow. So buckle up. We are going to look at the future of your job, your education, and your life. Welcome to the fork in the road. Let's find the right path together. Scenario A is up next.